Welcome back to Machine Matrix. Today we'll be counting down the top 10 largest mining machines. If the mining industry requires one thing, it is high volume and fast digging. And Liebherr mining equipment can do these things extraordinarily well. This heavy-duty machine can fill up a whole truck in just 4 passes. Its bucket has a capacity of 37 cubic yards, and it is able to work regardless of the conditions. These monsters can weigh from 110 to over 800 tons. With their largest variety of excavator, there are 9,800. Next up, we have a Guinness World Record holder, the P&H L2350. With the title of biggest earth mover, its 53 cubic yard large bucket can hold 80 tons in weight. This model is specifically designed to fill haul trucks, those massive dump trucks you perhaps have seen pictures of. It can fill one of these in a matter of minutes. When it raises its bucket to its full extent, it reaches up to the 24 feet high. Komatsu Limited actually now has an improved model available on the market with a capacity of 73 cubic yards. The giant machine you are currently watching is the Komatsu D5. Any super bulldozer with the 1150-75 horsepower coming from its beast of an engine. It can carry 90 cubic yards of load. It's also quite the capable taking machine. Usually it is employed on surface mines and coal fields, moving heavy loads to their destinations. Meet this monster. It's the Belaz 7510, a haul truck produced in Belarus. It has 4 axles and 8 wheels. Of these wheels, 4 are hydraulic use for the purpose of load handling. That are remaining 4 are drive wheels. The Belaz 75710 can carry up to 450 tons of load, which is the same as its own weight. A fun fact, this machine consumes 198 gallons of fuel in just an hour. That's enough to completely fill a Ford F-150 gas tank 8.5 times. This next machine is the P&H electric rope shovel, a cable system excavator. Instead of hydraulic, its digging arm is controlled and powered by winches. And steel ropes. It has no engine as it is entirely based on electrical power. The largest variety, the P&H 4800 XPC, has a dipper capacity of 92 cubic yards and 122.5 metric tons. To bring back the F-150, it could essentially hold 3.5 whole F-150s in just volume. In terms of weight, it could hold over 40. It's short, this machine can move a lot of dirt around very quickly. In this clip, you are watching the Cat hydraulic shovel, which is unique 6090 because of its two engines. This is so that one can drive the vehicle itself, while the other can drive the hydraulics for its arm and shovel. It is one of the biggest shovels in the world, with a capacity of 104 tons of payload. Like PH's electric rope shovel design, the Bucyrus walking dragline has a similar cable mechanism, albeit with a more traditional crane style. The bucket is attached with two Rome 1 at its top, and one at its base. Upon pulling the rope, the bucket is filled up with laterals and dunks. These machines are used for lifting heavy loads and mining and construction, just like previous machines we've seen. It's very unlikely that you heard of this device before, and even less likely you've seen it in person. This is a NASA crawler transport. Though this machine isn't exactly used in mining, we decided to include it as it's made by the Power Shovel Company. Its function is to transport spacecraft and rockets from the assembly building to the launch pad. From 1981 to 2011, it carried many missions, such as Apollo, Skylab, and the Saturn Rocket 5. There are only two crawler transporters, and both of them belong to NASA. Next up on our list is a tunnel boring machine, also known as the Mole. Another excavating machine, the only used for tunnels. It is designed to bore through anything like earth and hard rock. It's an excellent alternative to tunneling using methods such as blasting, and certainly beats doing the work by hand. The last machine on our list is a truly incredible bucket wheel excavator. This is the largest machine on Earth, as confirmed by the Guinness Book of World Records. It has a length of over 2 soccer fields, and it is taller than a 30-story building. This mega monster was built in 1995 to excavate coal in Germany. It still valiantly does this duty to this day. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Which of these machines was most impressive to you? Have you ever seen any of these in person yourself? Are there any other massive machines you want us to talk about? Let us know down below in the comments, and we'll see you next time on Machine Matrix.